Hey superstar, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark from Ivy Leads, and for today's tutorial, I am super excited to announce a new feature that will make exporting submissions from your forms and surveys easier than ever. Now, with this latest update in the CRM, you can now export all submissions for selected forms or surveys or all your forms and surveys in a batch job and receive an email with a download link. So you don't have to, download each one and, spend some time in doing that. When you initiate this report or export option, you will see a toast message saying that the export will be sent via email once it's ready. So, once you do this step that I'm going to show you, you will get everything that you need to be, downloading in an email. So you have that, for 7 days before the link expires. All right. So let's dive into it. It's going to be a lot, easier and simpler for you now. Just go to sites, and then go to form or survey submission. For example, you have like, a form that you wanted to download the submissions. Then let's go to the form submissions first. And then, you can filter the actual submissions for each one. For example, this one, you want to download this, then go ahead and click that box. And once you're done, click this button, which would be the export all submissions of record sheet form. And then, click OK. And then you can see this, part here. You will see a message and you will get an email with a download link in 5 minutes. Now, once you get that, download link, then you can now download and open the CSV file to get all the form submissions. That's similar to the survey submissions as well. Just go to survey submissions and then do the same exact process. For example, you can filter a specific survey that you want. So for example, you have a 7-figure funnel, and then you can select all and then click that button as well. So you will receive an email like I mentioned, similar to this one. Your request to export the data of record sheet like that is ready to download. And then once you click download, then it opens a tab and you can see, the actual CSV being downloaded in your computer. All right, that's super simple, super easy, just a few clicks away, so you can get all those data that you need in your forms and submissions. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, let us know so we can give you more clarity. And if you want to learn, a specific tutorial regarding the CRM, let us know so we can create that for the next video. See you on the next video. Bye.